Hey Brandon, what are you working on?
I am working on stabilizing our table for when it's in the down position, when it's sleeping. It's an okay table, but without any extra support, it's a little you see how it's wobbly, right? And we've already had to have it brought back for it kind of poking through on the top. There's problems with it. It's just not,
It's not sturdy.
it's not sturdy, and we've got a big boy that's going to be sleeping on this thing. So I want it to be a little bit, and there's no brace along the sides. It just sits in there and then everything lies on it. So in the middle of the night, there's a lot of pressure in these spots, and that's going to mess up the table. So I made this thing. We ordered these parts on Amazon, and we'll leave a link in the description, I'm assuming, right?
Mm-hmm.
And all I did is I took some 2x4 pieces. I cut a notch for one so that when we do this, I don't have to think about it each time. I just twist these down a little bit so that I can put them in here. And I know right where they'll be locked in place right there. And then I just screw these up in place nice and snug to the top of the table, just to give it that extra little bit of stabilization. I think I've screwed through it a little bit.
So this will help solve the issue of no matter who's on there, because sometimes we have a kid and a dog on the table, and like we said, we do have a 12-year-old that just won't stop growing.
Yeah, so already that's that side, that's that side. So
yeah, you can see the difference for sure.
And it should be pretty easy and lightweight to store somewhere and just put in there when we're just an added thing. And then I know that this bed's going to be nice and solid for anybody to sleep on. Super easy. I had 2x4 scraps lying around. You'll probably need at least, that was 32 inches right there, and then I'm using these little chunks. So yeah, and all I did was I scribed it, made it a little bit bigger, and screwed these together, and then screwed these together so I had enough meat and solid, so it didn't wobble or anything like that.
And these should fit, in theory, and I'm assuming they will, in the storage underneath the diner benches.
They might.
I think that they will.
Well, these things screw all the way down, so it's only that tall.
Yeah, that's the reason why we went with an adjustable one, is so that hopefully it would help with storage.
I mean, it's a pain. I might not do that. I might just leave it and just screw them all the way down.
Right.
But it could be that much. But yeah,
I mean, we've got a pickup. We can put them anywhere. But we just wanted to show you guys the solution that we kind of brainstormed, mostly Brandon. I supplied the table legs. That's my big helpfulness in this project. But that's the mod that he came up with. If you guys have any questions or suggestions or thoughts on how to make it better or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment. We're always open to new ideas. And I'm sure this is just like a prototype, if you will, that will get adjusted and changed the more we use it. But anything else, Brandon?
No, that was it.
All right. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for hitting the open road.